Welcome to the AZ channel. Let's start. Main reason why this accident happened was the driver who didn't respect traffic light. This is a classic example of reckless driver who doing donuts in front of police.
Oh my god.
I just got that on camera.
You did?
Yep, right here.
He almost spun out and hit that other car though.
Always look in the review mirror multiple times.
Just in time to protect Stacy's fresh purse.
Main reason why this accident happened was the driver who didn't respect traffic light. Don't overtake using the stop lane. This video shows you why. Always make a good assessment before your turn. Always make a good assessment before your turn.